This video is from my series that walks you through how to build a career in film and television production. Once you select your vertical, you're going to have to distill the shows on your 20 admired list down to 20 that are relevant to your particular vertical. In other words, if you chose features, then your 20 should be feature film. If you chose television dramatic series, 1 hour, you should have just broadcast television and streaming 1 hour or cable shows on your list. That should be your 20 admired. If you are interested only in fantasy and sci-fi, then your shows should be 20 fantasy and sci-fi. If you're interested in drama, pick drama, comedy, pick comedy, and so on. You need to have your list of 10 to 20 admired needs to be in your vertical. And the reason for that is so that we get focused on the shows that you're interested in working on, and so you learn who the players are and who the people are that you're going to want to contact. If you're not clear about or focused on your vertical or the type of production, feature, television, and in TV, drama, comedy, etc., you should not move forward with the research in this week's work. Otherwise, you'll be doing it again. And the amount of time it takes to sit and research your 10 to 20 shows, it's not trivial. It's going to be anywhere from 30 minutes to 60 minutes, and in some cases, including the executive research, you could spend as much as 90 minutes on each show. So you want to make sure you're clear about your vertical and that you're focused on exactly where you want to target so that your list is clear and focused on what it is you're pursuing. If you aren't clear, you need to get clear. And if you can't do that on your own, then get on a Q&A. Send in an email, get some help, get some clarity. You need to get the vertical figured out now before you move on to researching your 20 or your 10, at the minimum 10 or 20 admired shows.